Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone. Today's lesson is about lesson 4, unit 5. It's about 3 new words which are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Let's have a look on the first word, which is reduce. What do I mean by it? It means to use less of materials. For example, use both sides of a paper. Reduce simply means living more carefully so that you have less rubbish to get rid of. Avoiding waste is the preferable option of waste management. For example, use online materials and avoid using papers excessively. Another example, when children look for and purchase products with minimal packaging. And now the next word is reduce. It means to use the same item more than once, preferably many times, rather than disposing of it after one use. In other terms, to reuse means to use things again. To use things again. For example, reuse your plastic bags. To use your plastic bags. It's another reusing of something. Okay. The third word is recycle. What do we mean by recycle? Recycle means to process used materials into new products to save resources and energy. For example, papers for wrapping presents. Use used papers to sketch or do calculation. In other words, recycle means to put trash in the recycling bin. For example, save your empty drink can to put in the recycling bin. How can we reduce? We can reduce by decreasing unnecessary and wasteful purchases. For example, number 1, buy only what you need. Number 2, buy products that can be reused. Number 3, buy all purposes household cleaner. Number 4, buy products with little packaging. Number 5, sell or give away unwanted items. Number 6, reduce paper waste. I'm talking about the first paragraph of page 117. Paragraph number 1, page 117. How can we reduce? Another example of reducing, turn off the lights when not in use. Save water by using less. Ride a bicycle. You can ride a bicycle. And walk more to reduce the amount of gasoline used in transport. How can we reuse? We can reuse by using items of materials such as newspapers. Bubble wrap can be as packaging materials. Jars and pots can be used. Plastic and paper bags can be reused in shops. Used wood can be reused in woodcrafts or objects. Now I'm talking about paragraph number 1, page 118. Things like plastic jugs, jars, paper, and bags can be reused. Each time we reuse something, we conserve the natural resources that would have been reused to make new ones. And now we are going to talk about recycling. How can we recycle? Now I'm talking about paragraph number 1, page 119. Paragraph number 1, page 119. We have a lot of benefits about recycling, like financial benefit, conservation resources, energy saving, community building, jobs creation, strong economy, environmental protection, and many other things. How can you recycle? Number 1, buy products that can be recycled. Number 2, buy products that have been made from recycled materials. We have a lot of benefits of recycling. Number one, recycling saves the earth. For example, trees are cut down to get wood in order to make paper, but now they won't be cut down. Number two, recycling saves energy. For example, an aluminium product uses both the aluminium and the huge amount of energy to produce it from raw ore. Number three, recycling reduces waste products in landfills. After that, recycling keeps the environment clean. This was page number 120. And now, have a nice day. See you next lesson, inshallah. See you. Bye.